Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to show or hide most visited pages on your quick access on Samsung Internet. The first thing to do is launch the Samsung Internet app, and then you click on edit next to the quick access option, and then you click on most visited pages to turn it on. So if it's already on, you can turn it off if you want. So if you turn it on, it means your most visited pages will also appear here along with the quick access options shortcuts here. But if you turn it off, it means they will not appear. It's as simple as that. I don't have any more visited pages because I have deleted everything. But if I hadn't, you would have seen the visited pages right there. So I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.